Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are still on the series of the videos of our distribution of relief food to the communities that were affected, and in this video we were in Rwaso, which is one of the areas that were affected. This is the site where water originated from, and it flowed downwards and it did a lot of damage to the communities, but some people up here were as well affected. Rwaso is found in eastern Uganda, Mbale district, and here we distributed food, trees, and we taught people about how they can prevent themselves from getting waterborne diseases. We were able to do this because of the donation that we received from all the people who sent us money on Sendwave, World Remit, and Buy Me a Coffee. So we want to thank Dr. John, Campbell, and all his subscribers, and the people who joined our channel from his channel. We are so grateful. We made a lot of difference because of your support. As I said, we are using Buwangawe Health Foundation, which is our organization that came out of the combination of Dr. Johnny's channel and my channel. So we came together, and because the government wants us to have where we belong before we can offer support to the community, so we needed something that can identify us legally. So we suggested a name, Buwangawe Health Foundation. Buwanga is a local term that means light. So it's like we are shining light in the darkness. That's why we say Buwangawe Health Foundation, which you can in English just say Light Way Health Foundation, which is our own foundation that we are trying to develop. So thank you very much for the support. So from there, I interacted with one of the people who was affected. Then we went and gave out food, and we planted a seedling. Let's watch the video and we see the details. Sulaiman Muambwa, Sineshaba? That water came and entered into his house. He just realized the house was moving around, yet he doesn't hear well. This old man is 94 years and is among the people who were affected by the floods that time. The flood swept away his house, but we thank God that for him he survived because he left a bit earlier. But it was a terrible moment for him, being the fact that he's 94 years and he cannot move well. But good enough, we've come today. Still we shall give him a seedling. We are also going to give them some food that we have. It may not take a long time, but it will help. And we are also going to teach them about how they can prevent waterborne diseases. Aha, aru aharurayo. Baba, sasa kwa ruruma. Wewe kalasi. Anya lile wanya lile.